Students,
This meeting is being recorded.
good morning. Online students, am I audible? Aman, Yunus, Sai Prasad. What about others? Those are all in under rest. Huh? Saturday, enjoying Saturday. Gautami, Nutan, Sushma, Sudha, Sagar, Ankush, Raj Kishore, Rishi, others are under rest. Huh? Rajkumar, Rajkat Kumar, Ashish, Dipin, Aditya. Present, sir. Okay, very good. So, Aarti, Rajendra, Rajni. Okay, anyhow, only 201 students are there. So, after half an hour, they will come to 315 or 16. So, Amiya, Shairam, Same. So, now I'll go to the further Sai Varan. Hmm? I think they are planning the party. Okay, good. Nasser, Teja, Aditya. So, today, they won't come, sir. Okay. P. Suresh, Ajar. Okay, anyhow. Now I'll continue. Already, we completed. What is the topic which is in the middle of it? What is the topic in the middle of it? What is the topic in the middle of it? Stand up. Ma? Yesterday? Right. Platinum fund. Okay. After that, we did not do anything. Okay. After the examples, what we did? On the screen, you see. Automatica. Good. Sit up. Very good. Now I'm going to enter into the already started. Flatten and Ravel is completed. Copy and view is also completed. I started NUMPY, matrix operations started. Matrix operations, this you need to tell. These are nothing but what? Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operations on, come on ND array. So there I said already some functions I said. Did you remember that? Or already forget? Remembered, forget. So what are the functions I said? Add off, subtract off. Come on. Huh? Good. Divide off, multiply off. Okay. Multiply off. Huh? Divide off. After that, I said something for you. What is that? Dot off. Next is what? Matmal. Matmal. Next is what? Divide off. Divide off. Next, floor underscore divide. Floor underscore what? Divide. Okay. Floor underscore divide off. Next, mod off. Next, right. Good. Seventh is called power off. So I hope already I completed this part, correct? This part was already did. Now, so let me go to that. So that was already active. I hope so. I hope so. So in the yesterday's part, matrix operations example. Okay. So this part was already taken up in the session. I think up to where I took it. So up to certain A star B is completed. Up to matrix operations completed. That is our operation is called multiplication is completed. Multiplication is completed. Fine. So here students, I'll go to this 1 minute more. So here, let me start. Go to this place. Here I hope some matrix operations are available. Matrix operations completed. Some function name. So what are the functions we did? So I hope that, so there is, so in the downloads part, what are those? Accessing that part is not there, I think so. So that function, that example is, so any of, okay. So any of that part is, where is that? It is removed or what here? Advanced indexing, everything was there. Matrix operations. Okay. So anyhow, okay, not an issue. New. Go to this place. Now I'll carry the place where I stopped it. The place where I stopped it. Once I'll take up that, here I'm having some download spot. This is the one I'm having. This is the one I'm having. This spot I will carry students. I'll do the operation called what today? What operation I'll do now? Matrix multiplication I will do. Matrix multiplication I will do. So how do you do this matrix multiplication? A and B. You can take this A and B like this also you can do. This stood last yesterday one student asked me about this reverse part. I already shown you students, but I need not to have such type of difficulty here. A and B I took like this and the shaping of this one, and these are the values we got it. Today we are going to do, just try to remove that and try to print it matrix A and then matrix B. Understand? Now today I want to do what? Actual matrix multiplication I want to do. So calculate or find actual matrix multiplication. Actual matrix multiplication. But then actual matrix multiplication, how it will do, you know already. So actual matrix multiplication. How do you do, students? C is equal to, C is equal to, I hope you are already aware of it. C is equal to, say what? Dot of NP dot. C is equal to NP dot of dot of A comma B. I am saying how this how this dot product will work out. I'm just trying to say something like this. You take even big matrix also you can perform. I'm taking a small matrix for easy calculation. So this is my data and 40, and I want to multiply with a B value. What is the B value here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. This is my data. Now I want to multiply this thing. Each row of this A will be multiplied with what? Each column of this. Shall we start? Already you are well aware of it. Start ma. 10 into 1. 10 into 1. Already you know this is our school days only. Plus, come on, come on. 20 into what? 3. 20 into 3. 20 into 3. This is called 1. Next is called what? 10 into 2. 10 into 2 plus 20 into what? 4. 4. This is called one thing calculation. Next, I will go for what? Second row with what? Same columns. 30 into what? 1 plus 40 into 3. 40 into 3. Next, 30 into 2 plus 40 into 4. 4. Now I need to do the calculation. What is this now? 10 into 1 plus 20 into 3, that is called 70. 70, that is. Next, 10 into 2, 20 plus 20 into 4, 40. That is 80 plus 20. 20 is 100. 100. Next, 30 into 1, 30 and 40 into 3, 120. Come on, 150. 20, 30 into 2, 60. 40 into 4, 160. It is called what? 220. This is an output of what? Dot product. That is called actual matrix multiplication. Understand? Right. Now I'm going to write it. So I'm going to write it. Here I'm writing print of, I'm writing here matrix C, which is called what? Actual matrix multiplication. So there I'm going to write it. Print of C. Print of C I'm going to take up. Try to execute, students. So I'll try to take up. Same type of answer, you will get it. 10, and then you are going to get this data. That is known as what? Dot matrix we can call. Okay. Now, similarly, the same mechanism, we can do this by using what also? What also you can do? Matmul also you can do the same operation. Same operation. Matmul. Matmul, we are going to use it. So there we are going to get the same output as it is. Same output as it is. Can you believe that this type of questions are coming in written test in NumPy? Such as simple things these are. And what the questions are giving? They are giving ND array. They are asking find the matrix multiplication. Not giving not element wise multiplication. They are giving dot product. Dot product is nothing but what? Either you can go for matmul or you can go for what? Dot. And how the dot product works, how the matmul works, and you have seen already here. Understood? Online students, confirm it. Is it clear for all of you? Come on, students. Is it clear for all of you? Quickly. Now I will move to the further. Now I am going to enter into the another function called what? Divide I am going to. So what is the difference between multiply and dot? What is the multiply will do? Element wise multiplication. Dot and matmul will do dot product it will find. So now I'm going to introduce divide. Divide. So the students who are there in other batch, have you received my Python notes? Come on, received or not? Yes. Others, all of them, I sent already the complete Python note, students. That notes you take care and download it and try to see each topic is there, content is there, coding is there, complete coding is there. All topic wise points are there. Try to go for it. Now I'm going for what? Divide. Now I'm going for a divide. So last student, after 3 days you are seeing now. Mhm. After 3 days I am seeing again. After 3-4 days. బటన్ పెట్టి అక్కడ కూర్చున్నట్టు అప్పుడు అప్పుడు లేపాను సరే మళ్ళా ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ నాట్ దట్ డోంట్ ఫోల్డ్ ద హ్యాండ్స్ యువర్ గుడ్ బాయ్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ యు ఆర్ నాట్ విజిబుల్ వెంటు యు ఆర్ ఆన్లైన్ ఎస్టర్డే యు ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ ఆన్లైన్ నో డే బిఫోర్ ఎస్టర్డే నో దట్ డే బిఫోర్ ఎస్టర్డే దేర్ యు ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ ద క్లాస్ వై యు ఆర్ నాట్ దేర్ ఇన్ ఆన్లైన్ ఆర్ ఆఫ్లైన్ యు ఆర్ ఇన్ అండర్లైన్ నో attend the class. Okay, sit down. Now come to the point of it, students. Divide, I will go for it. Divide. So now I'm going to take it divide here. So what is the meaning of divide? Same. We are going to use it. Divide here. Divide. Divide is nothing but what? Element wise division. Element wise division. Element wise division I am going to take it. Element wise division I am going to take it. Find element wise division I am going to say. NP dot divide of A comma B. So matrix C. Element wise division is going to find. So what is the element wise division, students? Here what is the value of A? 10. 10 divided by 1. What is that now? 10 divided by 1. Next is called what? 20 divided by 2. 30 divided by 3. And next 40 divided by 4. What is the answer here? Come on, 10.0, 10.0, 10.0, and a 10.0. Are you following me? This is an answer, you'll get it. 10 point, 10 point, you will get it. That is a float point. You know, divide is nothing but slash operator. So you are going to get it. 10 point, 10 point, 10 point, you will get it. All these things. Able to follow? If it is a reverse, B comma A, what you will get it? 0 points, you will get it. So if I do the same thing with other kind of division, here in fractional formats, you will get it. B comma A, if I write it, B comma A, if I write it, you will be getting the type of operations. 0 0.1s, you will get it. Able to follow? Right. Now I'm going to apply the same thing with what I'm going to apply element wise division by using what? Arithmetic operator slash. By using arithmetic operator, what is this? Slash. I am applying slash. There I will write it. A slash B I am going to say. So element wise, same thing you will get it. The same operation like this. Into the same operation, same example, I'm going to give you B slash A also will give you the same thing. B slash A will give you the same thing here. And you got the same output like this. Understood? Similarly, the same type of mechanism I can apply here by using element wise division, which what? Integer coefficient. Integer coefficient you will be getting it. So integer coefficient is going to you are going to get it. What is that now? NP dot, come on, floor underscore divide. Floor underscore divide. Python is actually difficult compared to NumPy and Python. What should I pass it now? A comma B. What earlier got it? 10 point, 10 point you got it. Now you'll get what here? Integer coefficient completely. Element wise division with integer coefficient you will get it. The C value you see 10, 10, 10 is coming. Earlier what? Decimals dot is coming. You can apply the same thing. You can apply the same thing. Go to other way round. Other way round you apply. You say B comma A. You say B comma A. Completely you will get earlier 0 comma 1, 0.1, 0.1. Now you will get what completely? Zeros you will get it. Zeros you will get it. So here I am going to write it with what operator? With a double slash. With the arithmetic operator. With the arithmetic operator double slash. So there I will get it. A double slash B. A double slash B you are going to get it. Now there I am going to write it. And you are going to get pen like this. Same thing. I'll be applying the data which I'm going to use it. Here I am going to apply B double slash A. B double slash A with arithmetic operator called like this. With arithmetic operator like this. So here like this you are going to get it. So you are going to get what? Zeros here. I think you are understanding the meaning of what? Divide and floor divide. Similarly, I'll go for what? Mod. So go to the place. These are very simple parts and try to carry this data. So here I'm going to get it. The same description, same matrices. You can apply for 3 by 3 matrix also, students, no problem. So there I'm going to write it. Here I will apply element wise modulo division. Modulo division will give you what, mom? Remainder, right? Come on. Remainder. Remainder. So I will apply. What is the function I forget? Mod of A comma B. A comma B is saying that. A comma B. NP dot mod of A comma B. It is called modulo division. Remainder is going to give you. So what is the remainder for all these things, ma? A comma B modulus. 10 percentage 1 remainder. 110 10 remainder is 0. 20 percentage 2 2 tens remainder is 0. For all the elements remainders are what? Zeros. So all the elements remainders are zeros. So zeros are coming. If I take in a reverse format, B comma A, what are the remainders? What are the remainders? What are the remainders? మంచిగా ఉండడం కాదు. ఆల్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ గుడ్. బాయ్స్ అండ్ గర్ల్స్ ఆర్ గుడ్. కమింగ్ ఆన్ సాటర్డే వెరీ జెంట్లీ టు ద క్లాస్ గుడ్. బట్ ఆన్సర్స్ జీరోనా? ఎవరమ్మా జీరో చెప్పింది? సో బి కామా ఏ. వాట్ ద బి వాల్యూ హియర్? 1, 2, 3, 4. What are the, this is called B. A values are what? 10, 20, 30, 40. I don't know whether you know this subject or not. What is this B comma A? 1% is 10. What is the answer? తెలియదు. ఎంత లో బేసిక్స్ అంటే నాకు అర్థం అవుతుంది. 10, 0, 0. What is the remainder? 1, 1. 2% is 10. 2% is 20. 2 is an answer. 3% is 30. 3 is an answer. 4% is 40. 4 is an answer. You will get B matrix as usual. So answer is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reminders. Are you following? Yes. Something do that. Do something more. So here, hmm, Sandeep is saying all zeros. Okay. Sandeep, all the best. All zeros are coming up. So maybe Santosh is saying earlier, I think so. For earlier answer, I think so. I'm thinking positively about it. Sandeep, am I correct? Maybe he said that answer only. I hope. Now I'll go to the further. Now I'll go to the further. This is by using which function? Mod. Mod. So, no, Sarah. That means if you did not say the answer for this, you need to write imposition then. For this, if you are saying answer, you need to write imposition. If you say the answer for above, you are okay, good boy. So come to the next. Come to the next. We'll go to another type. Here, mod of it. I want to go for modular division with what? Arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator. What is it? Percentage. So let us write here A percentage B. What are the A values here? 10, 20, 30, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is what? Reminders. Zeros. Reminders is zeros. So you'll be getting zeros. 1, 10, 10. Remainder is 0. If I go for applying in reverse format, you will be getting something different. What is that? Here I am going to get it. B percentage A, which I already said to you. The answers are what? 1, 2, 3, 4 only. So the 1, 2, 3, 4 matrix is coming. This is called what? Modulo division. Last part I am going to take up. Exponentiation power of operator I am going to apply. Able to follow? So power of operator. So now I am going to enter into the power of operator. Power of operator is nothing but exponential expression. So I am going to take it element wise exponentiation. Element wise exponentiation. So this is known as what? Power of operator. Power of operator. So I'm going to use it. Here I'm writing np dot power of. Power of. I'm having a comma b. What is the a comma b, ma? A to the power of b. 10 to the power of 1. Come on. 10 to the power of 1. 10. 20 to the power of 2. Come on. 200. This today happened something for you, watch. 400. 400. 20 to the power of 2 is 400. 30 to the power of 3. Huh? 900 ఎట్లా అవుతుందమ్మా? 30 to the power of 3. 30 into 30 into 30. 27, the 3 zeros. 900 అవుతా. So, next 40 to the power of 4. 40 to the power of what? 4. 4 fours 16 into 16. 4 into 4, 40 into 40 into 40. 40 into 40. 4 4 ja 16. 16 4 ja 64 4 ja 256. 256. So 256. How many zeros? 4 zeros. This is an answer. మీరు 64, 16, this answer. Not only you, everybody is like that only they will say. Then 400, 2700, 256, something like this. 2 fours 16, another 2 fours 16, 16 into 16, 256. చిన్నప్పుడు నేర్చుకోలేదా 20 స్క్వేర్స్ 20 క్యూబ్స్ నేర్చుకోలేదు అవి? మీరు అంత చదివింది ఎక్కడ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ స్కూలా? యు స్టడీడ్ ఇన్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ స్కూల్స్. సో ట్రై టు స్టడీ సమ్ గుడ్ స్కూల్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ కమ్స్ అండర్ వాట్? Modulus. So this is power of operator. Yes, power of operator. Now I'll go to the another point of it. The same thing you can write it with a what? Star star operator also. Exponentiation operator with with arithmetic operator, arithmetic operator, arithmetic operator, double star. That is called power of operator. So I'll write it here simply. What is that? A star star B. A star star B, which is going to be the same answer. Are you following me? Simple students. You can write B star A also, you can say B star A. You know how to write B star A and all. So you can go to this place. You can calculate 2 to the power of this. I'm going to take it. B star A I'm writing here. B star A I'm going to write it. The B star A values are going to be beyond the scope of the limits it is going. See that negative value is coming. What is this negative value? What is this negative value? 3 to the power of what? 30. 3 to the power of 30. Go to the Python environment once. Go to the Python environment once. And here you see 3 star star 3. 30 star star 3. So it is going to be like this. 3 star star 30. 30. It is going to be like this. It is going to be like this. This is the value we are getting. But in this place, we are getting a negative value here. Why negative value is coming? Why negative value is coming? Don't know. Here negative value coming or not? Because the value type is what? Print of A dot D type. A dot D type is called what? It is into 32. B dot D type is also called what? B dot D type is also called what? Into 32. 32, 32, 2 to the power of 32. 2 to the power of 4. 4 bits. Easy. నేను బిట్వైజ్ ఆపరేటర్స్ లో చెప్పాను. 2 to the power of 4 is called what? 16. That means it can store how many values? 0 to 15 only it can take. 0 to 15. 16 means it will go to 8 bits. 2 to the power of 8 is how much? 2 to the power of 8 is how much? 256. It can store, take it as what? 8 bits. 0 to 255 only it will take. 0 to 255. Madhuvalo, pin of 255. Pin of 255. All 8 ones ఉంటాయి. Pin of 256. It will become what you know? 8 will become double. 8 will become double. If you take it 9 digit, 9 bits are there. 9 bits means what? These zeros, these are all simple thing I already said to you in the days. So here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 like this it will be there. This is called what? 16 bits. 16 bits. 2 to the power of 16 is going to be called what? Is called what? 2 to the power of 16, 256. 2 to the power of 16 is what? 65,536. Minus 1 if I say 65,535. 2 to the power of 16 చూపిస్తాను. 2 to the power of 16. 65,000. Sorry. Double star. 2 to the power of 65,536. Are you following me? 65,536 means it will take 0 to 65,535. 2 to the power of 32 if I take it. 2 to the power of 32 if I take it. It will take only this much value. But 2 to the power 3 to the power of 30 means it is beyond the scope of this value or not? Come on, ma'am. So the value what you are getting is a beyond the scope of it. It is giving some type of garbage value in this case. So that's why we have to convert the 32 type data type into what? into 64 type I have to convert. Are you getting my type? I have to convert into which type? Into 64 type I have to convert. So that you will get what value? You will get which value? Exact value will come. How to convert into 32 type into 64? How to convert? There is a function called as type. As type. As type. As type. Convert into what? Into 32 into 64. Like that we can high promote. That means internal data type C only we can convert into another type by using which function name? As a type of function. Very, very important. I'll explain it in the class. Suppose there is a value called 10, which is taking by default int 64 is taking. Why to take unnecessary memory space for int 32? I will convert into which type? Int 64 to be converted into int 16 is enough now. So I'll typecast it. Internal data type only I will typecast it. So at this point, intentionally I am showing this point to you. Some type of value coming called what? Negative value coming. That is the unknown value is coming. How this unknown value also coming, I will explain to you. How this unknown value I will calculate and I will show you. How that unknown value, maximum limit minus original value is equal to minus will be going. It is going to the negative side. The negative value, how it will come, I will explain in the class. That I will explain in data type conversion in ND array, I will explain. There is a separate topic is there. Okay, now? Right now, don't worry about this point. This point I am not going to show you. This point I have separated discussion in my class. So right now, the D types, understand int D type in by default in int D type in ND array is int D type in ND array is going to be called which type? Is called which type? Int 32. Float value by default is what? Float 64. I can convert into float 32 into 16. Whatever the type I want, I can convert it by using which function name? As type. Very, very important concept. Are you following me? Right. So anytime if you get unknown value, immediately think about the register capacity, which I was explained in the bitwise operators. Well, 4 bits becomes 8, 8 becomes 16, 16 will become 32. Still more than that, it is going to be 64. Still more than 64, our register capacity is not suitable for it. Or if Python is ready to support, but our environment of register is also an important. So I hope you understood this point and you are waiting for the concept called what? How to convert into 32 to into 64, into 64 to float 32, float 32 to float 64. Any type of conversion you want, you can go for it. In Python level, already we learned typecasting techniques now, students. In typecasting techniques, you learned int of, float of, bool of, so many typecasting techniques you learned. Like that, even in NumPy also, there is a typecasting technique concept is there. I will explain to you. This is related to which concept? This is related to which concept? I'm going to give you NumPy, matrix, matrix operations, part 2. This is now I am going to enter into the another concept I am going to give you. This also I will send it to you students. This I will download it and I'll send you. Yesterday's part is available. That is the part 1. Today's part is available. That is the part 2. This is called operations with part 1 and this is called part 2. I will send it. This is called part 1 and this is called part 2. Both of them I will send it. Where is the description for that? I will show the notes for you students, which is a spoon feeding notes for you. You can just go for it. There I am going to take it. Notes under that NumPy arithmetic or matrix operations will be there somewhere else. Here I am having and perfectly you are having all these things with a spoon feeding syntax. Here it is available. Here I am going to take it. How this is done with plus symbol, subtract x syntax, and with how do you do with the operator, multiply, all these things, dot, matrix multiply, matmul, everything is given with the systematic notes is given here. Okay, now fine. Now I'm entering into another type of concept. Online students, can you confirm that? Is it clear for all of you? Now I'll move to the another type of operation, entering into statistical operations. I'm going to take it. NumPy statistical operations. Statistical operations. Statistical operations. So statistical operations, I'm going to do it. What is the use of statistical operations, ma? What is the use of statistics? Statistics. Sometimes government will count the total villages, districts, mandals, and they will come to know the population. In that, how many of them are skillful, how many of them are unskilled, how much is the how much is the popular, how much is the population, and what is the age group of the people. They will come to one survey or not. On and average, what is the average age of the people who are there in the particular state? These are all comes under what? Come on. Statistical statistics, it is called. Suppose if we conduct a Telangana state conducted an exam, 10th class results they conducted, and they want to find out the district wise percentages. Which is district got highest percentage of results? Which district got least percentage of results? That is known as what? Statistical report. And who are the top five students got highest marks? Who are the type? Who are the top five people scored highest mathematics marks? Who are the bottom people secured the marks in mathematics? I want to have complete statistical information. Those statistical information, part one you will come across in NumPy, part two you will come across in series, part three you will come across in data frame, and the project is coming across in the EDA projects will come in the Google Play Store employee salary report. I'm explaining in four levels. The statistics is going to come. What is the statistics is? Finding the situation of a particular calculation and applying to the present problem state is comes under the overall meaning of statistics. As Kranti P is saying, like a summary or some information about certain domain is called what? Statistics. Okay, na? So now I want to take up statistical operations or how many I'm going to apply. This is called part one, part two, part three. I'm going to apply multiple things in the classes slowly one by one. And statistics is an important in data science. Those who are looking for statistics is an important. And it is easy, not a difficult. And depends on how the people will take you into the statistics. So coming to the point of it, I'm going to enter into this statistics meaning I'm going to give you. And there I gave the meaning of statistics. Now I'm going to enter into the what are the operations you can do it. Suppose I conducted a test for you. I want to find out the who are the top scorer. Top scorers. Is it called statistics or not? So to find the highest element in the ND array object, maybe 1D or 2D or ND, there is a function name called A max. Spell out A max. A max. And here we are going to get axis concept also we are going to get it. So what is the syntax of that? In numpy dot a max of we are going to get it nd array object comma axis you will get it axis spell out axis 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 you will get axes axis you will get it. Next, this function will give you what, ma'am? The name itself says. Don't take much time of it. What max will give you? Go to the place. A is equal to or L is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma minus 3 comma 23 comma 100 comma something like minus 3 or minus 2 some zero I am saying. Find the maximum value of that. Find the maximum value of it. How do you find out? Tell me. Max of what? LST, which will give you what? 100. 100. Sometimes to test your knowledge, they will ask you write your own code to find the max of the list. Write your own code to find the max of your list. What we will do? Same thing. KVR max is equal to, I am taking it as LST of 0. LST of 0 I am writing. For value in value in LST, I am writing here value greater than KVR max. KVR max. And I am writing KVR max is equal to value. And I am coming out of it. And I will print what here? KVR max, which is going to print the maximum value. This is called our own logic. మీరు వింతగా చూడకండి దాన్ని, ఆల్రెడీ నేను చెప్పేసాను మీకు. దిస్ ఐ యూస్ టు టెల్ ఇన్ ద పైథాన్ క్లాసెస్ ఓన్లీ. దిస్ ఈస్ ఎ వండర్ ఫర్ ద పీపుల్ హూ డిడ్ నాట్ నోన్ దట్. దిస్ ఆల్రెడీ నోన్ ఇన్ యువర్ సిక్స్త్ క్లాస్ ఓన్లీ. స్కూల్ డేస్ లో కాదు, సిక్స్త్ క్లాస్ లో. సిక్స్త్ క్లాస్ లెవెల్ ఐ సెడ్ దిస్. అంటే సిక్స్త్ క్లాస్ నాట్ యువర్ ఒరిజినల్ సిక్స్త్ క్లాస్. ఇన్ మై పైథాన్ క్లాసెస్ ఓన్లీ ఐ యూస్ టు టెల్ ఇన్ లూప్స్ level I used to. Min of LST is called what here? -3. How to find your own thing? KVR min is equal to LST of what you know? KVR min is equal to LST of 0 I said. How to write my own code? For value is equal to, for value in LST, I will write it. If a value less than KVR min, if value less than KVR min, I am writing here KVR min is equal to, I am writing here KVR min is equal to value I am writing. And come out of that, what is this now? Value. Okay. Value I need to write it. Value I need to write it. This is what I am writing it. Come to this place. Now I am writing here. KVR min I am writing here, which is going to give you -3. It's coming. So అన్ని మీకు చెప్పి పెట్టాను already, because this is so useful to you. Once you work hard in your studies, anytime it is useful in your life. It is just like a bank balance only. Anytime you can withdraw, that much it is going to be useful. So I applied min function. How to find? I wrote my own code how to find. Something like that. You are going to write what? A max. A max is nothing but what? Array max. Come on, tell me. Array max. That will give you maximum value of one dimensional array, 2D and ND. I can also maintain what? Axis also I can mention. I'll tell you the meaning of axis, ma. Don't worry. You only tell me a min. What is the function name? What is the syntax? NUMPY dot a min of, come on, ma, ND array object comma, come on, axis. Axis I'm going to take. This axis represents x axis and y axis here, and z axis also you can represent. This axis is equal to, say, something value that will give you row wise max and column wise max. All those things will be coming. I'll show you everything one by one. After that, you will come across one more type of function called what? One more type of function called what? Mean. Mean. Spell out. Mean. What is meant by mean? NUMPY dot, come on, mean of what? ND array object. ND array object, comma what now? Axis. Axis. That will give you what? Mean. What is the meaning of mean? What is the mean? ఎందుకు మీరు average. Sum of the numbers by number of numbers. Sum of the numbers by number of numbers. Here you take it as LST here. You take it as LST here. These are the numbers. Okay. ఇంత పెద్ద నంబర్ ఎందుకులే కానీ మళ్ళీ మనకు క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది. You'll get calculation problem. LST is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. సరిపోదా? 4 values. You know summing, right? 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40. How much? 100. ఇది కూడా డిఫికల్టే, బట్ you know sum of what? LST. Sum of LST is called what? 100. What I can write it? Mean value I can say. What is that? Sum of LST by LN of LST is called what? The 25 is a mean. That is called mean. How do you write your own code? S is equal to 0. For value in LST, S is equal to S plus val, and come out of that. Print of S, which is going to be 100. Print of S by LN of LST, which will give you the value like this. This is called our own code. I made you to write how to write the code for library functions also. And if you observe our looping and everything, because when you go to an interview point of view, they will ask you this one. When you are doing with the project, you do this. When they are testing your intelligence, they will ask you this one. Don't use some function. Write your own code, they will say. And you are, I made you to fully prepare this part, how to write our own code for this. Are you following me? Followed or not? Right. One small question I want to ask you. Very recent question, one of my student got it. S is equal to S is equal to something like Python. This is something like I am writing here. Python. I am writing Python. This is a Python. Huh? What is that? What is happening? Screen stuck. Okay. Students in online. Just a few seconds. Few seconds. Is it clear now? Is it clear now? Is it okay? Let me check once. Is it okay now? I hope it is okay. Thumb symbol down. Okay. Thumb is paining for you. So instead of thumb, so all thumb symbol downs. Is it okay? Is it okay now? So I'm not teaching anything. Okay, don't worry. I'm not writing, typing anything. I'm not typing anything, students. Don't worry. So here, even my screen is working, students.